At Fence Factory, we've been your one-stop shop for all your fencing needs for over 50 years. We understand that your time is valuable, so we've made it easier for you to get an estimate on your next fence project. Here's how you can get an instant fence project estimate with our virtual fence estimator tool. Visit fencefactory.com, click Instant Quote, and select the location nearest you. Enter your name, contact info, and your street address to view your home on our virtual map. Click Add Your First Fence and start to draw the perimeter where you want your fence to go, either by using your finger on your phone or using your mouse on your desktop. You can choose from a wide variety of fence materials, styles, colors, and heights. If you want to add a gate, just click the Add a Gate button and choose the desired location of your new gate. Once you've finished designing your fence, hit Next to receive your free virtual estimate. Please contact us if you have any questions. And remember, at Fence Factory, we make good neighbors. We hope to hear from you soon.